how to be a home. See, you get a new to you fridge that your brother found on the side of the road, and you're like, man, why are they getting rid of this thing? What could possibly be wrong with it? The lights turn on, it gets cold. Well, it turns out you go to connect the water and it leaks all the way down here and then fills up the bottom while it's full, and you don't know, and then you open the door and it runs all over the floor and leaks in your basement. Well, then you come in here and you look at this little doohickey. It's all shoved up in there, and you're like, oh no, look. It has a crack in it. Must have froze. No problem. Go to the good old store, get some tubing, match up them outsides. That's gonna fit down in there. And get one of these little doohickeys, and that goes on there, and then it goes in on there again, and you're set up. Let's go. Oh yeah, also the part where you're like, oh, look at these clean bends on here. I'm gonna do that with a lighter. Yeah, doesn't work. Don't do that. I'm just gonna fish this guy up from the bottom. You get her up in there nice and tight. Take out this guy. I'm gonna say right about there. Gonna line this up. Don't mess this part up. We're gonna cut that. Good. Tuck that away. Good as used. And we're gonna come down here. Turn that guy on. What could go wrong? No water. And that's how to be a homeowner.